Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. Yesterday we talked about upcoming opportunities in the regulatory bodies in the law domain. In this video we are going to talk about the various opportunities, legal exams which come in the banking and insurance sector. I have been telling you the upcoming exams which we are expecting by March or April: NIACLAO, NICLAO, OICLAO, LICAO, PFRDA legal. Then there is RBI legal, NABARD legal. So these exams are expected somewhere in the next 3 to 4 months. Now coming to the law officer exams, we divide it into 4 categories. We have already discussed regulatory bodies. We'll be discussing insurance and banking sector, eligibility and exam pattern in this video. So starting with the banking sector, these are the various exams which are conducted for recruitment of law officer in banks. IBPS SO law and RRB scale 2 law is fairly regular. This comes every year. Wherever you will see scale 2 or manager mentioned, that requires experience. IBPS SO law and ECGC PO legal is the only one which does not require experience. Otherwise, RRB scale 2 law, IDBI grade B legal, NAPFID law officer, Central Bank of India law officer, exam manager law, all these require experience. You can pause the screen and you can check out the eligibility. Now coming to the exam pattern, in IBPS SO law, you have prelims and mains. In prelims, you have reasoning, English and general awareness. The number of questions are 50 in each and marks for English language are 25 while for other it is 50. There is sectional cutoff present. Then after that there is mains. In mains there is only the legal portion which is professional knowledge for which there are 60 questions of 60 marks. After that there is interview. So in prelims you will have to clear sectional cutoff and overall cutoff. In mains you will have to target high score. Then there is RRB scale 2 law in which there is single level exam and then there is interview. These are the 6 subjects in the single level exam. In every subject there are 40 questions of 40 marks. The duration is not composite time. In last year recruitment there was sectional timing introduced. So ignore this duration thing. But other things, there are 40 questions of 40 marks and the marks allocation is as such. After your written exam there is interview. Then there is ECGC PO legal. Here also there is single level examination. In the online examination, there is objective test and descriptive paper. In objective test, you will have QRE, GA, professional knowledge. The weightage of every subject is given, so is the sectional timing. And then you have descriptive paper in which you have to write essay and précis. Then coming to the Bank of India, scale 2 and scale 3 law. So whichever banks go for scale 2, scale 3 recruitment, they release their own selection procedure. More or less it is the same. So here in online examination, you will have English language, professional knowledge and general awareness. Same goes for Central Bank of India scale 2 law. Here also you had stream specific, category specific questions, which is your law, then computer knowledge and then general awareness. Here stream specific questions were 60, computer knowledge 20, banking, economic scenario, general awareness 20. So the number of questions vary and the subjects that you have to study vary. But here also there was online written examination and personal interview. So keeping this in mind, if you are eligible for any of these exams, you can start your preparation. Then coming to the insurance sector. These are the various insurance bodies which go for recruitment. There is AIC legal, then there is NIACLAO legal, UIIC legal, NICLAO law, OICLAO legal. These are 4 general insurance companies. Then GIC legal, which is the reinsurer, and LICAO legal. OICLAO legal also just requires law degree and 21 to 30 age. So this is not mentioned here. Law degree and 21 to 30 age is only required over here. You can again pause the screen and check out the eligibility. Only LICAO legal requires experience. All the other insurance exams do not require experience. Then coming to the exam pattern of these recruitments. First is AICMT legal. There is single level exam and then there is interview, reasoning, English, general awareness, quantitative aptitude, computer literacy, professional test and descriptive test. All of these are present. The marks, the number of questions, the duration is also given on the screen. Then you have GIC Re-Legal. Here also there is single level examination and there is interview. Part A is your technical and professional knowledge. Part B is reasoning, English, general awareness, numerical ability and computer literacy, and then English language, which is descriptive English, essay, précis and comprehension. After that, let's look at the life insurance company, LICAO Legal. Here there is phase 1, phase 2 present. Phase 1 preliminary examination, here you have reasoning, English language and quantitative aptitude. Then you have phase 2. In phase 2, you again have reasoning, general awareness, professional knowledge, insurance, financial market. Then you have English language, which is descriptive English. So you can pause the screen. This recruitment was last announced in 2021. This is expected somewhere in the next 3 to 4 months. Then coming to the general insurance companies, NIACL, AO Legal. In phase 1, you have QRE. Then in phase 2, you have QRE, GA and specialist, and one descriptive test which is only qualifying. NICL, AO Legal is also the similar pattern. In prelims phase 1, you have QRE, and then you have mains. In mains again QRE, GA, computer knowledge and specialist stream. There are sectional timings present for each exam. So slight variation is there, but you can see how you can prepare for all of these exams together because the subjects are common. In NIACL AO also there was QRE in prelims and there was QRE GA specialist stream in mains. In NICL you have QRE in prelims and then you have additional subject of computer sectional timing introduced in mains. Then coming to the next OICL AO Legal, again prelims has only QRE. And then you have mains in which there is QRE, GA and specialist stream, just like NIACL. And there is one descriptive test which is qualifying. Then there is UIIC AO Legal. In this, there is only a single level online written exam. And then there is interview. Here in the written exam, you will have QRE, GA, computer knowledge and your professional knowledge part. There is sectional timings, the number of questions, all may differ. But the preparation is common for all these. And I have already told you in the upcoming months NIACL, NICL and OICL is expected. So if you are targeting insurance exams, you can start your preparation right now. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can write them down in the comment below. You can also check out our Megabee Legal online course. This is an all-in-one course which will help you in the preparation of law officer exams for regulatory bodies, banking, insurance sector, PSUs, and all the law officer exams that come in this domain. You can download the brochure of this course from the description and you can check out the various course offerings. This course will help you in the preparation of all the upcoming exams. Enroll with iExamBee and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.